Are you ready for a new note? Okay, so let's sing Hogs in the Cornfield first to review with words and then with our high, lasso, and the solfege that we know so far. Okay, so we have here we go, hogs in the cornfield, cows in the clover, tell them pretty girls I'm coming over. Hogs in the cornfield, how do you know? Met a little boy, he told me so. So now we're going to do it with the high, lasso, and the solfege that we know. Ready, go, hogs in the cornfield, cows in the clover, high, lasso, so, so, me, re, re, do, do. Now we've discovered, we've analyzed this song a lot, that the highest note is the beginning of that phrase, high, la, and it lives a skip above la. So when we have a note that lives a skip above la, we call it high do. Just like our regular do, but it's high. We don't say high do, we just say do, but we sing it high. And the hand sign for it is the same, but just up above. So now we can sing that phrase. Do, la, so, 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 mi, re, re, do, do. So now we're going to insert it into the song, the second and the fourth phrase with the solfege, the other two with words. Here we go, nice and slow so we can get it. Practice it with me, because you're going to need to know it for your assignment. Here we go. Hogs in the cornfield, cows in the clover, do, la, so, 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 mi, re, re, do, do. Hogs in the cornfield, how do you know? Do, la, so, 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 mi, re, re, do. So now, we're going to sing some other songs that have high do in it. For example, Cedar Swamp, the new one we just learned. Way down yonder in Cedar Swamp, water's deep and muddy. There I met my pretty little miss, there I met my honey. So here's what you're going to do. I'm going to sing a phrase. I have them all over here. I have a whole list. And you're going to sing back with my picture. I'm going to be over here doing it too. You're going to sing back with me, practicing the solfege of that phrase. I will sing words, you will echo back with solfege and hand signs. Cedar Swamp, are you ready? Here we go, way down yonder in Cedar Swamp. Water's deep and muddy. There I met my pretty little miss. There I met my honey. All right, next song. Ding dong, digga digga dong, digga digga dong, the cat she's gone. Ding dong, digga dong, digga digga ding ding dong. You guessed it, the first phrase. So we're going to sing just that first phrase with solfege. I'll do words, you do solfege. Here we go, ding dong, digga digga dong. Digga digga dong, the cat she's gone. Ding dong, digga digga dong. Nice. Okay, so there's one phrase in the next song. I lost the farmer's dairy, I'm in some lady's garden. Do, do, let me out, I'm in some lady's garden. Haha, did you notice what I did on do, do? We were banging on the door, but we were also showing the hand sign for do. I'll sing with words, you echo with solfege. Do, do, let me out. Nice. Whole song, but on that part you just sing the solfege. Here we go. I lost the farmer's dairy key, I'm in some lady's garden. Do, do, so me do, I'm in some lady's garden. Nice. I said the blackbird, just a little bit. I said the blackbird sitting on a tree. I had a wife as well as thee. There's your do. What about this one? Early in the morning at 8 o'clock, you can hear the postman knock. Up jumps Ella to open the door. 1 letter 2, letter 3, letter 4.
Phrase 1 and phrase 3.
You're right. Echo, here we go. Early in the morning at 8 o'clock.
Up jumps Ella to
Open the door.
Nice. Okay, so now we've got one final one.
Pass 1 window, tidy-o. Pass 2 windows, tidy-o. Pass 3 windows, tidy-o. Jingle at the window, tidy-o. Jingle and jingle and jingle and Joe. Jingle at the window, tidy-o. Jingle and jingle and jingle and Joe. Jingle at the window, tidy-o.
The Jingle and Joe part. So, be my echo on solfege there.
Jingle and here I go. Jingle and jingle and jingle and Joe. Jingle and jingle and jingle and Joe.
So now your homework is, going back to Hogs in the Cornfield, you sing Hogs in the Cornfield, first phrase words, second phrase solfege, third phrase words, fourth phrase solfege. We'll do it one more time, review with me. You ready? Words, solfege, words, solfege.
Here we go. Hogs in the cornfield, cows in the clover, do, la, so, 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 mi, re, re, do, do. Hogs in the cornfield, how do you know? Do, la, so, 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 mi, re, re, do.
That is your homework. Practice it before you turn it in.